Yeah,
Actually, when I speak like a general topic, so I can speak very well. But when I speak to any particular topic, any topic, so that time I confuse. But I yeah.
yeah. And you, the people from the Bihar are the most humble guy I have seen. They are more frankly, Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Okay, so before moving ahead, I would like to introduce myself. Okay, my
Okay.
name is Ghanendra Bhardwaj, and I am from Uttar Pradesh, Aligarh, and currently I am pursuing BTech, Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science and Engineering. And my hobbies are uh, playing cricket and listening to the music. That is it.
Okay. So it's my turn. My name is Rakchan Mishra. I'm from Bihar, Darbhanga district, and nowadays I'm living in South Delhi. Yeah, I have I have done my graduation, and if I talk about my hobbies are traveling, meet to new person. Yeah, that's all about me. And nowadays I'm living. I'm sorry, I'm learning this language. Yeah.
Great. So before me, like you have made a conversation with anyone, or this is the first time that you are making conversation?
I have attended almost 35 conversation with you.
Oh, so are you in a group somewhere?
No, no group video call. Only like uh, processing
Uh,
video
uh, I mean, are you joined in a group?
group. Which type? Skype app. In Skype app.
Yeah.
Yeah, I am also part of this group. Like let's talk, which is let's talk.
Oh, yeah, I am in that group too. Yeah,
Okay.
great. So, so
So
how,
you are
when
now
did you start? Yeah.
okay. So I have been learning this language for 2 months. For my actually, I want to job in airlines aviation department. That's why
Oh,
I'm learning this. And you can say without English, I can't join any airline job. Anyone can't join any airline job. English is very
yeah.
important. Aviation. So yeah, that's why I'm learning this language.
So is small knowledge of English is like enough for airlines, or you just need to be a advanced speaker for that?
No advanced speaker, but we have knowledge like basic speaking skills and communication skills also. How can I customer caring customer knowledge, and I have knowledge like uh, which airport or airport all department. How can I work, and how can I talk to other people like this, and only two skills necessary, like if I
Yeah,
have we have a graduation certificate and communication skills, speaking skills,
communication is good.
then we can easily join any airlines job and we can crack any interview.
Great.
Yeah.
So
So,
what
why are you learning this language? Tell me your
Yeah. Okay. So as I told you that I'm pursuing BTech, So I'm in my last year of my graduation. So placement drives. Companies come to my college for hiring the students. So to appear in the interview, that it is good to have communication skills. Yeah, it will be good that if you have uh, good command over spoken English. Because interviewer asks questions to you in English language. So it is important to give answer in English language too. So that's why I'm learning this language, because sometimes I stuck in the middle of the interview. Sometimes, so it happens me a lot. So to resolving this issue, I am just learning this language.
So how long time you have been learning this language?
Actually, I've started my this journey 2 years ago, but I became very serious towards this language 3 months ago. From 3 months ago, I'm very serious about it. Yeah.
Actually, it's happened when I faced difficulty. So then I realized what is importance and what is importance this language. And I also faced this kind of knowledge. Actually, before 2 months, 3 months ago, I went to Delhi airport for to give an interview,
Yeah,
and I was rejected that time because I my English was not good that time,
yeah,
and that time I had no idea how can I crack interview. Then I realized English is very important, and after that I started my English journey. And yeah, 2 months ago, and I realized I feel confident. I not speak well, but I speak little bit. And after 1 month ago, I will definitely join any aviation airline job. Yeah.
yeah. Your skills is good. I think from my point of view, it is good enough. So, like, what are your qualifications? May I know?
Yeah, I have done my graduation, and yeah, BCom, a lot of commerce.
BCom. So,
BCom.
yeah, right. So, what part of English are you working on? Means, are you facing any kind of problem right now in English? So,
Yeah, yeah. Actually, when I start my English journey, so that time, first of all, I read English grammar rule like tense, modals, voice, and then I start to
yeah,
watch the conversation video, story, and group discussion video. Lot of
yeah,
institute. I watch a lot of video like Well Talk Institute, Happiness Institute. Then for after 1 month ago, I started to my conversation with you. I try to speak my
yeah, yeah.
friends with my sometime with my brother, and when I feel some confidence, so then I started to my conversation with you, talk to other people. And but when I started my first video, so that time I was totally blank. How can I express
Yeah,
my thought? I was not
happened with
able to
me.
speak.
Yeah,
Yeah, 4 or 5 videos. But gradually I feel confident, and nowadays I speak not well but little bit. Yeah, this is my experience.
yeah,
So
nice. Actually, I was also blank. I didn't have any words to speak at the time. I was quite nervous at the time. So it was a kind of horrible experience for me. So,
mm.
right. Do you think these conversation videos help you? Yeah, help anyone who is beginner?
Very helpful. Conversation video is very helpful. And if I talk about my experience, so 2 months ago, I know everything like grammar and speaking English vocabulary, some vocabulary. But if I come speaking when I try to speak, so that time I couldn't speak. So practice is very
Yeah,
important. Conversation very important for everyone.
yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, it is very important because you get a lot of new words from there, and sentences, phrases, a lot of things you get to learn. So, yeah.
So I would like question from my side.
Yeah, yeah. You can ask.
Your
Hello.
future.
Actually, I didn't listen to you because of network issue. Could you please repeat that?
From my side, what kind of job you will join in your future? What is your future goal?
Okay. Yeah. My goal is to become a software engineer. Do you know the software engineer? They develop the software, apps, website. They develop like these kind of things. So I would like to get into these things after my graduation.
After graduation. So
Sorry.
after graduation, you can join. Yeah, or you can complete it any other course or any graduation. After graduation, you can
Yeah,
join.
yeah. Graduation is
You can
enough,
join.
I think. Yeah. After that, you can apply for the interviews, and if you clear the interviews, then you will be a software developer officially. Yeah.
Okay, so what is salary starting time in software
Actually,
engineering?
there is no fixed salary. If you are entering in a good company, so like top MNCs, so it could be like 30, 40, 50. Okay, and they are more higher company than that. Product based companies like Google, Microsoft. So they give you like 40 lakh per annum. You know. Yeah, 40 lakh per annum. So it depends basically in which company you are entering. So yeah.
We
But
can
if
say
you ask me on an
it-
average, yeah, if you ask me on an average, that it is 25 from my point of view, 25, 30. Yeah,
it's good. It's very good, and we can say it totally depend on company to company, which
yeah,
company
actually,
hire. Yeah,
exactly,
yeah,
yeah. Mhm.
yeah. I
So
think
where are
you are.
you? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Please ask me.
I am South Delhi. I'm nowadays I'm living South Delhi, and
So
I'm
I mean,
from Darbhanga, Bihar.
great. So are you? Where are you right now? Like in a room or where?
I am in room.
Oh, great, great, great.
I
So
forgot
you
where
are
are you?
asking something.
Yeah,
I'm from
where are you?
Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh,
Ali, Aligarh. Okay. So what is your native language?
Hindi.
Hindi,
So
mother tongue
your might
language.
your might be like Bhojpuri. Am I right? Huh?
No, actually
Then
Bihar is divided two part. Bihar is divided two part. And there is two language. First Bhojpuri and second language is Maithili. So what about this
oh,
language?
Maithili.
Maithili.
Yeah, great, great.
Yeah.
So actually,
So
I live. I
yeah.
yeah. And you the people from the Bihar are the most humble guy I have seen. They are more frankly, Yeah,
Yeah.
right. I love them. Yeah.
Okay. So how old are you, brother?
I am 22 right now.
Okay. So do you have
So,
a sibling?
yeah, I have. Actually, I'm alone. Like, I don't have any brother, but I have three sisters. But right now they are married. They all are married. Yeah.
You are younger.
Yeah. I'm the youngest.
And what does your father?
Basically, my father is a farmer. Yeah.
Do? So I I also I have one brother and I have two sisters and I am younger. My father is also farmer and I am living with my brother.
Wow.
My brother, yeah, bank
Great.
employee. He works in SDFC Bank. Yeah.
Yeah. Great.
And my brother is actually we both are twins. My name is Love and my brother's name is Kush.
Oh, great. So you look same or what?
Total same. When you see my brother and me, so you can't imagine who is Love and who is Kush.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Oh, wow. Great. Great.
Whenever we go any other place like a market, so that time a lot of people got confused.
Get confused. Yeah. Right. Great. Great. So
Yeah.
do you have any question? So or we should end this session.
The one last question.
Yeah, yeah.
So actually, when I speak like a general topic, so I can speak very well. But when I speak to any particular topic, any topic, so that time I confuse. But I prepare before conversation conversation video. I prepare, but when I start to speak, so that time I was not able to speak. So how can I improve?
Can honestly, I can't also speak on a particular topic, but from my point of view, to speaking on a particular topic, that you should have a knowledge first of all about that topic, a very well knowledge. So after that, you can only speak, and without having knowledge on that particular topic, you can't speak. You will stuck in the middle. So,
But I have
so
not.
yeah,
I have, if I have knowledge, and when I start to start topic, so that time I confused. How can I speak? I have knowledge, but I can't speak. I
yeah,
can't able.
very. So might be you might hesitate at the time maybe.
So
So
yeah,
this could be the reason. Because if you have knowledge, then you can speak without any
maybe.
flaw.
But
Yeah.
I think usually I feel confident, and I started to speak any topic. So I speak little bit, not well, but I feel confidence. Practice is. very important. I realize
Yeah,
this.
important, very. Yeah.
So
Nice
with
to meet you. Nice
yeah,
to meet you.
thank
Thanks for having conversation. Bye. Have a nice day.